green card holders are getting stopped at airports. Detained. Questioned. Some even turned away. Why? Because immigration rules are shifting fast, and if you're not careful, you could get caught up in it. But here's the twist: if you know your rights, you're safer than you think. You're watching Buzzrica, your go-to source for fast, clear, and reliable U.S. immigration news. We break down the latest policies so you don't get blindsided. President Trump's new enforcement push is sparking panic, especially for green card holders from countries like Jamaica, Iran, and Venezuela. But this isn't just about those countries, it's about a broader shift in how immigration officers are handling all legal permanent residents. Today, we're breaking down what's actually happening at U.S. airports and borders, who's being stopped and why, the specific documents you need to carry, what happens during secondary inspection, and how to protect yourself if things go sideways. Watch till the end. We'll cover flagged countries, digital searches, and what to say if Customs and Border Protection questions you. Let's get into it. What is happening at the border? Over the last few weeks, immigration officers have been ramping up scrutiny, not just for undocumented migrants, but for lawful green card holders too. Here's what travelers are reporting. Getting pulled aside for secondary inspection after routine passport checks. Being asked detailed questions about time spent outside the U.S. Some people were asked to hand over their phones or social media passwords. In extreme cases, travelers were denied re-entry and told to file appeals. This isn't just talk. Colleges like Brown University are now telling international students to avoid unnecessary travel. European countries like Germany, Ireland, and Denmark updated travel advisories for their citizens entering the U.S. That means this is real and spreading. The Trump administration's stance. Secretary Rubio went on record trying to ease the panic. He said, "If you're a green card holder, you're legally here, you're allowed to travel. You're not the problem." According to DHS, this new enforcement effort is focused on stopping illegal border crossings, cracking down on expired visas, investigating criminal records tied to re-entry attempts. But the truth is, these changes are being applied more broadly. Even people with clean records are being flagged for minor things like long trips abroad or questions about work history. And while Rubio said Jamaica isn't even in the top 20 for illegal immigration, we're still seeing travelers from there facing tougher questioning. That's where the fear comes from: uncertainty. What documents to carry? If you're a green card holder planning to travel, you need to prepare. Always carry your unexpired green card, a valid passport from your home country, proof of residence in the U.S., utility bills, lease, driver's license, job letters or pay stubs if you're employed, proof you haven't abandoned your residency, like U.S. tax returns or travel history. If you've been outside the U.S. for more than 6 months, expect more questions. If it's been over a year, you may need a re-entry permit, or you could risk losing your green card status entirely. What to expect during secondary inspection? This is where most of the anxiety kicks in. Secondary inspection is a deeper screening process where CBP can ask for passwords to your phone or social media, review your travel history, ask about your job, income, or even political views, check for any past immigration violations. You can refuse to unlock your phone or share passwords, but doing so could delay your entry or raise suspicions. It's a tough spot, especially since there's no lawyer present at this stage. If you do feel you're being unfairly targeted, stay calm and compliant, but take notes after the fact. Write down names, badge numbers, and what you were asked. You can file a complaint later with DHS or speak to an immigration lawyer. Who's most at risk? People from certain regions are facing more scrutiny, even if they have green cards. These include countries on past travel ban lists like Iran, Syria, Libya, nations with high visa overstays like Nigeria or Venezuela. And now, even countries like Jamaica and Haiti are being watched more closely. Also, if you've ever been arrested, even if charges were dropped, it could trigger extra questions at re-entry. Quick tip: if this video is helping you or someone you care about, Take a second to hit like and subscribe to Buzzrica. We post daily updates so you stay one step ahead of immigration changes. How to protect yourself. Don't travel if your green card is expired, renew it first. Avoid long trips abroad. More than 6 months can trigger abandonment issues. Carry strong proof of U.S. ties, job, taxes, property, and family help. Stay calm during questioning. Hostile behavior can escalate things fast. Know your rights. You're allowed to remain silent beyond basic identification. Most importantly, consult with an immigration attorney before you travel if your case is complicated. Don't assume that being a green card holder gives you a free pass anymore. Final word. This isn't about panic, it's about being prepared. U.S. immigration policy is shifting rapidly, and even legal residents are getting caught in the crossfire. You don't want to be the person stuck in secondary inspection with no documents and no idea what's going on. Buzzrica's got your back. Hit subscribe so you never miss a change in policy, and share this video with someone who needs to hear it. Because what you don't know at the border can hurt you.